In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Chatgpt API key for free. This simple and straightforward process will grant you access to harnessing the capabilities of Chatgpt for various applications. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps to successfully acquire your API key in no time. First, what you need to do is head to the OpenAI platform by logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a quick and easy process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the OpenAI API dashboard, a crucial starting point for setting things up. Now, look for the billing section. This is where you need to head next. Often, it's located on the sidebar, making it pretty easy to find. Clicking on billing is essential as it manages your account and any transactions related to the services you'll use, ensuring everything is set up properly on the administrative side. Next, navigate to the API keys section. API keys are essential. They're like a password granting your applications access to OpenAI's services. Find this section. It's where all your keys will be managed from, and you'll have the ability to create new ones or handle existing ones. Once there, you'll see an option to create a new secret key. Go ahead and click on this. This is the step where you're actually initiating the creation of a new API key that will be unique to you. Remember, secret keys are sensitive pieces of information, so it's vital to handle them with care and never share them publicly. Now, it's time to give your API key a name. This name helps you remember the purpose of the key, especially if you end up creating more than one. Naming it after the specific project for which you're using the key can be a helpful practice. Also, don't forget to select a project that you will associate this API key with. This organizational step helps in managing and tracking your API usage efficiently. After naming and selecting a project, you'll want to click on Create Secret Key. This confirms all your selections and finalizes the process of generating that unique key for your specific needs. Finally, once the secret key is created, you'll see the option to copy the API key generated. Make sure you do so right away because, for security purposes, you might not be able to view the key again later. Store it safely in a secure place, perhaps using a password manager to prevent any unauthorized access. And there you have it. You now have your very own Chatgpt API key ready to use. With this key, you can integrate the power of Chatgpt into your applications and start creating amazing conversational experiences. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.